Hi, my name is Sean McCavan and I'm from a company called Terra Spirits Liqueurs based in Bailieborough, County Cavan. Terra Spirits Liqueurs is the largest independent producer of Irish creams, Irish whiskies, to which we proudly export to over 65 different countries worldwide. In 1995, my father Patsy formed the company, of which I'm very proud to be second generation. I would like to think that Terra has always been a socially responsible company, as we were one of the first members to become verified in Board B's Origin Green initiative. In 2018, we decided to take this one step forward in Terra when we launched an array of initiatives attacking climate change. In the process, we identified three key areas. One, a reduction of our reliance on fossil fuels by over 50%. Two, a water recovery system that would save us over 500,000 litres a year. And three, the ability to generate electricity on site in Terra using our existing roof space by using the means of PV generation. On investigation of PV generation, I soon came to realise that it was a perfect fit for Terra, owing to the fact that our peak production is during daylight hours when PV generation is also at its peak production. It was at this stage I got in contact with a company called Activ8 Solar Energies. Activ8 were very quick and prompt to send over a field engineer to do a complete survey on Terra facilities. During the survey, we identified key areas and trends of Terra's electricity demand and usage on a daily, weekly, monthly and annual basis. A short time later, I received a full commercial proposal from the team in Activ8. The proposal detailed all factors, including the grant application that could be applicable to companies like Terra through SEAI. The 169 kilowatt system, comprising of 554 roof panels, was installed in little over 2 weeks by the team in Activ8. The installation didn't affect any of our production, as the team in Activ8 ensured that any jobs that had to be done were done outside of our production hours or during the weekend. One of the key design needs of the project was when the team in Activ8 suggested that we could maximise the efficiency of the PV system by installing a separate panel which could control our heat pumps for hot water production over the weekends, bank holidays, evening times when the system on the site was unoccupied. This for me was a key factor in awarding the contract to Activ8, as I was confident that they understood the site needs that were specific for Terra. It's great to be working with Activ8 Solar Energies, partner with SSE Electricity, producing green, clean, renewable energy.